Good afternoon, dear students. So, on Saturday, we have discussed about the inclusion. Now, we have come to the end point, last topic of this chapter, that is role of physical professionals for children with special need like counselor, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, physical education teacher, speech therapist, and special educator. The role of various professionals such as school counselor, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, etc., for children with special need is really vital. They help and support such children in achieving their full potential, improving their motor skills, giving ability to communicate properly, and in promoting their mental as well as physical health. The details of the role of various professionals for children with special need are: first, we have discussed about the school counselor. School counselor is the specialist who work with students with special need in school. A school counselor is a member of the education team who provides valuable assistance to school students with special needs. He help he also helps them with their academic goals, their social, personal and career development. He assists teaching staff with strategies on how to support such students in distress. He also carries out development programs related to stress management, anger management, conflict management, and positive thinking. He helps all students, including students with special need, to achieve their full potential, gain self confidence, and to become productive member of the society. He also refers students and their families to community resources for specific assistance. So, this is all about the role of school counselor for children with special need. Next is the role of physiotherapist. A physiotherapist is concerned with the gross motor skill and mobility of the children with special needs. The role of physiotherapist is to assess and manage children and young persons with movement disorders, disabilities. The main aim of physiotherapist is to help the children with special needs to their full potential through providing physical intervention, advice, and support. A physiotherapist concentrates in particular on problems that affect muscles, bones, circulation of blood and lungs. He evaluates movement and function of the body of children with special need with particular attention and physical mobility, balance, posture, fatigue, and pain. Physiotherapists use a range of techniques including massage, manipulation, exercise and movement, electrotherapy, and hydrotherapy. So, this is the role of physiotherapist. Now, occupational therapist. An occupational therapist helps children with special need in performing self care skills like eating, dressing, bathing, and grooming. That is, activities related to fine motor skills. He also helps children in participating and interacting with others in play. He helps in play. He helps children in adapting to regular school. He may suggest for writing and other classroom activities to help them to participate equally with other children. He also plays an effective role in helping children with special needs to improve their fine motor skills and handwriting. This can help children to learn to grasp and realize toys and other objects. They feel toy, they can grasp it, they can release it, etc. He also work on hand eye coordination to improve skills such as hitting a ball, copying from a blackboard, etc. Now, the role of physical education teacher. Physical education teacher needs determine the abilities of studying with special needs. They also need to determine measures to be implemented to support their participation in sports and fitness. Physical education teachers helps students with special needs to improve their physical fitness. They help in improving eye hand coordination, flexibility, muscular strength, endurance, and even cardiovascular efficiency. Physical education teacher also provide such physical activities for students with special need which may help in reducing anxiety, stress, tension, and depression. The interaction and involvement with students without special need also help to give students with special need a sense of confidence. Physical education teachers helps students with special needs in developing a sense of self-esteem which can be im- important for such students with special needs may often feel isolated and removed from the group. They organize various physical activities for students with special needs in order to promote their mental and physical health. So, this is all about the role of physical education teacher. Now, speech therapist. A speech therapist in school provides treatment, support, and care for students with special need who have difficulties in communication. Speech therapists help students with special need to gain ability to communicate through speech and language. Speech therapist helps and provide trainings for those students who have difficulty in producing sounds or symbols or saying words incorrectly. They also help such students who have fluency disorder like stoppage, repetitions, or prolonging sound in words. So, this is all about speech therapist. Now, special educator. A special educator or education teacher often has students with varying learnings, mental, physical, and emotional abilities. They may assist students with special needs in the area of physical skills, learning through play, communication, improving social and emotional skills. Indeed, special educators' main responsibility is to access their students' cognitive abilities. They are they also create and apply circulation and activities to meet the requirements of students with special needs. Now, I will discuss some other points like occupational therapist. The goods of occupational therapists therapy for a child are improve participation and performance of a child and all the child's occupation like self-care, play, school and other daily activities. The occupational therapist will assess the child and modify the environment or the way of doing tasks to promote a better participation and independence. Now we will discuss about some points, extra points, which are related to this subject only, in which we are having more knowledge about the role of different teachers. Now, the one question is, what is the role of school counselor in special education? The role of a school counselor is to help all students, including those with special need, to achieve their full potential, introducing an appropriate individualized education program IEP at early age can make all the difference, not only in these children's academic learning, but in their emotional health and social adjustment, and ultimately in their ability to become productive contributing member of society. Counseling session with special education students, encouraging family involvement in IEP. IEP means individualized education program. Counseling with the working with other school staff to better understand the child's special need. Collaborating with other school and community professionals like teachers, school psychologist, physical therapist, and occupational therapist, etc. Identifying and other students who should be assessed to determine the eligibility for school education. Now, what is the need of inclusion in physical education? Next question. Inclusion in physical education increases social skill of students with disability. Inclusion is needed to increase motor skill of student with disability. A disabled student get equal chance to participate in age appropriate activities, so it increases the confidence level. Typical students get a chance to increase friendship with disabled children. Inclusive education provide an opportunity to a typical students to go beyond tolerance to acceptance and advocacy. What is the role of occupational therapist for special need children? Self care. An occupational therapist will help a child perform, be independent in self care skill like catching, dressing, toileting, bathing, and grooming. Play. An occupational therapist helps children to participate and interact with others in play. They may suggest modifying creations in the position, modifying aids or modified toys to help a children to play. Now, school. Occupational therapists help children participate and accept to regular school. They may suggest aids for writing and other classroom activities to help them participate equally with other children. Children with special needs may also require physical furniture to help them sit and write better. Now, environmental modification. Occupational therapist can suggest modification in the house, school, or playground that will help the child to participate more easily. Helping the child become independent early in life will encourage them to live independently as an adult. Next is fine motor and handwriting. Occupational therapist also play a role in helping a child to improve their fine motor skills by in handwriting. They will be able to identify the specific defects in the child and suggest activities that will help improve these skills. Next is splinting. Occupational and learnerist can also make simple splints to help a child perform activities in a better way. Next is pediatric treatment. Physiotherapy can be used to treat children affected by muscular dystrophy. These are other conditions may require the child to help to improve balance, strength, and coordination. Techniques of physiotherapies are massage and manipulation, exercise and movement, electrotherapy, and hydrotherapy. Next question is, what is the contribution of special educator teacher in developing education plans for student with special need? Assess student skill to determine their needs and to develop teaching plans, adapt a lesson to meet the need of students, develop individualized education program IEP for students, plan, organize, and assign activities that are specific and each student's ability, implement IEPs, assess student, update IEP throughout the play year to reflect a student's progress and goal. Next is, what is the role of physical education teacher for children with special need? Physical education teacher an important part of the curriculum. It helps to develop physical active abilities and healthy habits in student. Regular physical exercise prove effective for the overall development of children. Such program positively impact the child of children the life of children with special need by enhancing their motor skills, by improving self esteem, by controlling obesity and encouraging an active lifestyle. Physical education teacher must find out the abilities of the children with special needs and adopt necessary measure to support their participation in physical activities and improve their overall fitness level. So some such program are conducting physical activity program, help children to cope with anxiety, depression and stress. These help in their interaction with other students, which increase their self esteem and confidence level. Such interactivisions also enhance their communication skill and decision making skill. Sessions are conducted with parents and teachers to implement way to encourage children with special needs to participate in sports activities. Physical education teacher need to determine the ability of students with special needs so that to design special sports activities according to their need. Speech fluency and stutterings. Stuttering is a communication disorder that affect speech fluency. Therapist can teach the child strategies on how to control behavior like tension in the neck, shadow face, jaw, chest, eye blink, etc., and thus increasing lies, speech fluency and intelligibility. Voice and resonance. Voice disorder referred to disorder that affect the vocal folds that allow us to have a voice. These can include vocal cord paralysis, nodals or polyphons on vocal cords. Therapists can work with children to decrease these behaviors and repair the strain damage on the folds. Next is, what is the role of speech language pathologist for special need children? Speech therapist pathologists work with children with a variety of delay and disorders such as autism, Down syndrome, hearing impairment, motor speech disorder, and other developmental delays. They help child with articulation skill, speech intelligence, articulation in the physical ability to move the tongue, lip, jaw, and palates to produce individual speech sound which we performs. Excessive language skills. While speech involves the physical motor ability to talk, language is a symbolic system to convey a message. Proper use of these is developed by a speech therapist. Respective language or listening skills. Respective language refers to child ability to listen and understand language. Therapist can help teach the child new vocabulary and how to use that knowledge to follow directions, answers, questions, to participate in single conversation with others. Next is physiotherapist. Physiotherapists are trained to evaluate and improve the function of the body with particular attention to physical mobility, balance, posture, fatigue, and pain. The physical therapy program involves educating the child about the physical problems caused by their disability, designing an individualized wise program to address the problem, and enhancing mobility and energy conservation through the use of variety of mobility aids. Physiotherapy can be used to help children who have a neurological condition that affects the nervous system, such as multiple sclerosis, stroke, and cerebral palsy. Physiotherapist can be used to treat injuries that offer the bone, joint, and muscles, such as a part of injuries and arthritis. Now we will discuss about the helping children with learning disabilities. Has your child been diagnosed with a learning disability? With these parenting tips, you can help them build self confidence and find success at school and his life. When it comes to learning disabilities, all children need love, encouragement, and support. For kids with learning disabilities, such positive reinforcement help to ensure that they emerge with a strong sense of self worth, confidence. All children need to love, sorry, self confidence and the determination to keep going even when things are tough. In searching for all ways to develop children with learning disabilities, remember that you are looking for ways to help them help themselves. Your job as a parent, your job as a teacher or a friend or a member is not to cure the learning disability but to give a child the social and emotional tools they need to work through challenges. In the long run, facing and overcoming a challenge such as a learning disability can help a children to grow stronger and more resist. Tips for dealing with this child learning disability: keep things in perspective. A learning disability isn't insurmountable. Remind yourself that everyone faces obstacles. It up to you as a parent to teach your child to how to deal with those obstacles without becoming discouraged and overwhelmed. Next is become own expert. Do you know, sorry, do your own research and keep abstract of new development in learning abilities program. Therapist and educational techniques may be tempted in look to the others teachers therapists doctors for solution especially at first, but the foremost expert on your child is a teacher. So take charge when it comes to the finding the tools they need in order to learn. Be an advocate of your child. You may have to speak up time and time again to get special help for child. Embrace your role as a protective parent and work on your communication skill and make a huge